Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Cantonese with Ollie. Today we are going to learn some expressions that you can probably use in class. The first one is, do you have any question? 你有冇問題啊？你有冇問題啊？ If you have any questions, then you can say 我有問題。我有問題。On the other hand, you can say 我冇問題。我冇問題 which means I have no question. If the teacher asked, do you understand in Cantonese would be 你明唔明啊？你明唔明啊？ You can answer 我唔明。我唔明 for I don't understand or 我明。我明 for I understand. Next, if the teacher asks, is that okay? In Cantonese would be 得唔得啊？得唔得啊？ You can reply 得冇問題。得冇問題 which means okay, no problem. Or if you're not okay, you can answer 未得啊。未得啊 meaning not yet. The next phrase is very useful. If you want the teacher to repeat one more time, you can ask 唔該再講一次啊。唔該再講一次啊。It means please say once more. If you want to say please speak louder, you say 唔該講大聲啲。唔該講大聲啲。And if you want to say please speak slower, you say 唔該講慢啲。唔該講慢啲。Vice versa, if you want to say please speak quicker, you can say 唔該講快啲。唔該講快啲。Sometimes the teacher will say, please repeat after me, which in Cantonese are either 唔該跟我講。唔該跟我講 or 唔該跟我讀。唔該跟我讀。Another sentence you may heard it often would be 一齊講。一齊講 or 一齊讀。一齊讀 which means say together. And the last sentence we are going to learn today is the sentence that I say every time at the end of each video. 下次見。下次見 which means see you next time. Let's repeat everything we have learned today. Do you have any question? 你有冇問題啊？你有冇問題啊？ I have a question. 我有問題。我有問題。I have no question. 我冇問題。我冇問題。Do you understand? 你明唔明啊？你明唔明啊？ I don't understand. 我唔明。我唔明。I understand. 我明。我明。Is that okay? 得唔得啊？得唔得啊？ Okay, no problem. 得冇問題。得 冇問題 Not yet 未得啊未得啊 Please say it once more 唔該再講一次啊唔該再講一次啊 Please speak louder 唔該講大聲啲唔該講大聲啲 Please speak slower 唔該講慢啲唔該講慢啲 Please speak faster 唔該講快啲唔該講快啲 Please repeat after me 唔該跟我講唔該跟我講 or 唔該跟我讀唔該跟我讀 Say it together 一齊講一齊講 or 一齊讀一齊讀 See you next time 下次見下次見It is really important to seek advice and feedback on how well you are doing at repronouncing the correct tones in Cantonese. After some practices, it would be great if you can find native Cantonese speaker to try out these phrases to see if they understand or not. If they don't seem to understand, it could either be a tone problem or the inaccuracy of the pronunciation. But either way, you can overcome it with further practices. The next video, we will talk about numbers again, of how to build up numbers. If you have any question, feel free to leave comments below. And please like and subscribe. 下次見，拜拜。See you next time.